Hey, what's up everyone? Quick question. Are you still juggling a dozen different tools to manage your customers, your emails, and your sales pipeline? If yes, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to get started with HubSpot for free and how to unlock a serious discount so you can upgrade without breaking the bank. No hat ice highest pout. So, what is HubSpot? HubSpot is an all-in-one CRM and business growth platform used by over 288,000 companies across 135 countries. It brings together your marketing, sales, customer service, and content all under one roof. We're talking email campaigns, contact management, sales pipelines, landing pages, live chat, and even AI tools, all connected to the same customer data. And the best part, you can start completely for free, no credit card required, no expiry date. HubSpot's free CRM is genuinely free forever. Deutsch y HubSpot so UT. Here's what makes HubSpot different from other CRMs. It's not just a tool, it's a full system. Let me break it down. Free CRM with contact management, deal pipelines, and email tracking right out of the box. Marketing hub for email campaigns, landing pages, and lead capture forms. Sales hub with meeting scheduling, call logging, and AI-powered pipeline tools. Service hub for customer support, tickets, and knowledge base. Integrates with Gmail, Outlook, Slack, Stripe, and thousands more. Whether you're a solopreneur, a startup, or a growing team, HubSpot scales with you. Start free, upgrade only when you need to. Now let's talk about saving money. HubSpot's paid plans can run anywhere from a few hundred to thousands of dollars a year, but there are real ways to pay way less. First, if you're a startup under 2 years old with fewer than 5 employees, HubSpot Startup Program can get you up to 90% off the professional and enterprise plans in your first year. That can save you thousands. For everyone else, new users can get 30–40% off starter and professional plans through verified partner links. The link I've dropped in the description below gives you access to the best current deal with no promo code needed. The discount applies automatically. Just click the link, sign up, and the discount locks in. It takes about 2 minutes and you can start on the free plan first before committing to anything paid. So if you're tired of using 5 different tools that don't talk to each other, HubSpot is genuinely one of the smartest moves you can make for your business. Start free today using the link in the description. And if you're a startup, absolutely check if you qualify for that 90% discount. That's real money back in your pocket. Drop a comment below. Are you currently using a CRM or starting from scratch? I'd love to help point you in the right direction. If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more software deals and tool reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's go!